Guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Worth Guitars. Trying something new. I got a new microphone. We'll see if it helps with the audio quality at all. Problem is I have to use an older iPad, so it may cancel itself out. So here we are. I thought I was recording me gluing the top on, but I was not. I'll just show you a photo of the way it looks in the Go Bar deck. But all that work we did to get it ready got us to this point. Hey there. So she's glued on and it sounds good already. Already sounds like a sweet guitar. Sounds like a nice drum. So I just need to route this edge off. This is going to be a real quick video to let you know where we're at. I'm going to route this lip off right here to make the top flush to the sides. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on this joint where the neck goes in. Of course, I still need to get the neck going. The neck is glued up. We're at this point on our neck. So we're good to go there. We just got to get it the rest of the way going. We'll get this thing prepped up and get this dovetail joint cut. And then we'll have something going on. All right. Starting to look more like a guitar all the time. You know it? So we got that ready to go. This is made out of Spanish cedar. Very pretty piece of Spanish cedar that I had. And can't wait to get this thing carved in. But in the meantime, just a quick video to show you where we're at, because I know some of you guys have been following along with this build. And I apologize for not showing you the Go Bar deck, how that works. But you've seen that, I believe, if you look back a few videos, you'll see on the classical build we did how it works. And of course, there'll be a photo in here that you'll be able to see how it looks in there. And essentially, it's just applying glue to this edge and then putting this in place and, you know, putting it in the deck. It's not real super exciting stuff. But I am going to get this edge routed. I wish I had my earplugs with me, but I don't know where they are, so we're just going to go without it for the time being. Get this set up, make sure we don't have anything on our base plate that'll scratch. Just using a regular flush trim router bit. Nothing secret there. And we're just going to make sure that we stay nice and tight to the top as we move around. Could do this on a router table if you want to, but this will work fine. Okay. Here it is. Now we're nice and flush, trimmed. All right, so that's good to go. We'll just do a little sanding on that. That'll be pretty. That'll be real nice. Yep, that's looking good. All right, that's it for this today. Gonna do a little more cleanup around the edges where it's a little fuzzy. And inside here, do a little scraping, a little sanding. Sander won't fit in there obviously, but that's where we're at. It's nice and flush to the sides now. The top is on. She is well on her way. Got that piece of bracing in. She's well on her way to becoming a guitar. So that's it for today, guys. Just a little quick video. Show you where we're at on the build to this point. Next time you see this guitar, we're just going to start working on the neck joint. We'll do the neck joint, make sure the neck fits properly. So I still need to make a fretboard. I still need to glue the head plate on the neck. I still need to make sure we get the neck roughed out a little bit. Everything's the right size. Then we'll start making this joint, make sure the neck fits, then we'll glue the back on. One of the last things we'll do is glue the back on. Then I'm going to put a nice decorative end piece in here and some bloodwood binding. So it should look really pretty when it's all done. Nice and simple and elegant little parlor style acoustic guitar. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon. You guys be good to each other out there. I'm going to go work on an electric guitar that needs some work. Okay, you guys be good. We'll see you out there somewhere. Bye now.